Jake, the hallway light's out again.
Seriously? It was fine this morning.
Yeah, I walked by and it just flickered and died.
Great. That makes the third time this year.
I know. It's annoying, especially at night.
Where did you put the spare bulbs?
Bottom drawer in the kitchen. I'll grab one.
Thanks. I'll get the stool.
Here. These are the warm light ones you like.
Perfect. They're easier on the eyes anyway.
Do you want me to hold the stool?
Yeah, that'd be good. It wobbles a bit.
Okay, got it. Go ahead.
This old bulb is barely screwed in.
Maybe that's why it kept flickering.
Probably. All right, taking it out.
Careful. Don't let it fall.
Yeah, I got it.
Is it hot?
No, it's cold. Totally dead.
Figures.
Pass me the new one?
Here. Don't touch the metal part too much.
Right.
Need me to hold the flashlight?
Actually, yeah. It's darker than I thought without this light.
Okay, holding it up.
Thanks. All right, lining it up.
Is it going in straight?
Yeah, I think so. Just a second.
Tell me when to try the switch.
Almost. Okay, try it now.
Okay.
Anything?
Nope, still dark.
Wait, let me tighten it a bit more.
Okay, try again?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, there it is.
Finally. Hopefully this one lasts longer than 2 weeks.
Seriously? It was fine this morning.
Great. That makes the third time this year. Where did you put the spare bulbs? Thanks. I'll get the stool. Perfect. They're easier on the eyes anyway. Yeah, that'd be good. It wobbles a bit. This old bulb is barely screwed in. Probably. All right, taking it out. Yeah, I got it. No, it's cold. Totally dead. Pass me the new one? Right. Actually, yeah. It's darker than I thought without this light. Thanks. All right, lining it up. Yeah, I think so. Just a second. Almost. Okay, try it now. Anything? Wait, let me tighten it a bit more. Yeah, go ahead. Finally. Hopefully this one lasts longer than 2 weeks.
Jake, the hallway light's out again. Yeah, I walked by and it just flickered and died. I know. It's annoying, especially at night. Bottom drawer in the kitchen. I'll grab one. Here. These are the warm light ones you like. Do you want me to hold the stool? Okay, got it. Go ahead. Maybe that's why it kept flickering. Careful, don't let it fall. Is it hot? Figures. Here, don't touch the metal part too much. Need me to hold the flashlight? Okay, holding it up. Is it going in straight? Tell me when to try the switch. Okay. Nope, still dark. Okay, try again. Oh, there it is.